Hey everyone, it's Craig from Flying Wheels. Welcome to my Flying Wheels YouTube channel. Today's a fun day because it is specialty auction day. You'll see a Lambo back there, a Bentley, all kinds of fun toys going through the auction today. We're going to watch them all go through. Come along with me. 13 Gallardo, 81 Toyota Corona, 89 Mercedes, 75 Mercedes, 73 Corvette, a 29 Model T, am I right? 02 T-Bird, Monte Carlo SS, we got a 73 Nova, 93 Vet with 48,000 miles, 72 C10, oh here's my favorite of the day, 72 GTO, 53 Bel Air, 87 Corvette with 42,000 miles, an 02 Mustang, 79 Triumph, an 89 Corolla Camry, which I'm actually kind of really clean, 82,000 miles. 1978 Jeep Renegade, and last but not least, a 93 Bronco that's mint, but has 313,000 miles. Wow, it's super clean. Check that out. 313,000 miles on it. Look at that frame. Oh my goodness. The Jeep is mint too, minus the mismatched top, which is a little funny. Check out this, what is it, a Corolla? Or a Camry? It's a Camry. 89 Camry. Look at that thing. Oh man. I want to go check out that GTO. Wow. Looks like a Judge clone. Tack in the hood. Oh man, it's a 4-speed. Let's back up and get a good look at this. Did they make a Judge in 73 or is this just a clone? Whatever it is, it's cool. What is this, guys? You tell me. Is it a Model T? You got a bucket seat in the trunk. Wow, that's neat. The other things I haven't really looked at is that Bentley GT over there. Don't see these often. Good morning. Hey buddy, how are you? What is this thing worth? Is it worth 100? Is it worth 150? Or is it worth even more? I don't even know. It's not a gated shifter. I know from my last Lambo video, everybody liked the gated 6-speed. Do they still make that? I guess that was a rare option. Wow, that's nice. Everything's gonna run through in a little bit. We'll watch it all go through. I'll show you the prices. I don't know what I'm gonna walk away with today. Hopefully something. Oh, there's a couple more over there. Let's go check those out. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that I love Audi RS7 right there. I also love Corvettes. A couple Stingrays behind me too. I hope I walk away with something today. We got a 19 Camaro. A 6-cylinder? No, it's an SS. 14 RS7. 16 Stingray and a 19 Stingray. Wow. Hey, we got that super rare 1992 Ferrari Camaro kit car from last week. I don't need any more punishment. I got rid of my Fiero finally. I don't need another headache. An 18 Mustang GT convertible. An 11 Wrangler. Here come the judge. Come on. Like you guys didn't say that too.
Yeah, but there was that low, yeah.
I kept saying Model T. This isn't a Model T. You guys should have corrected me. It's a Studebaker.
All right, let's hear it out. What again? All right, 27, 26,000 on it.
Whoa, 26,000.
We got all the cameras here. This is going to be on YouTube.
25 grand they want for this car. Believe it or not, this was my favorite of the day. An 89 Camry, but in absolutely mint mint condition. Want to know what an 89 Camry looked like brand new in 1989? Here you go. $5,500. Oh, no bidders yet. Look at that interior again. Wow. Not even at $7,000. I'm gonna bid on this. $5 grand. They don't even know. Alright, I've already owned one of these. They want $6,500 for this. I paid $4,500 for mine. $5,100. They're getting it. $5,100 there. Here's another one of my favorites. Is that '93 Bronco. '99 Corvette, 74,000 miles, nothing special, but still fun. Oh.
13 rear wheel drive, 13, 50. The Zone 2012 here. 150, 140, 130. Is there any interest on this one? There's $110,000 here, $100,000 here. There's $100,000 here. 90,000. Any interest in the car? 91 roll. 90,000 here, 91. 90,000 here, 91. Go forward, not backward.
$91,000. The day is over, and I left with none of them. I think I was just in a funk today or something. I don't know. The Bronco I really wanted, the 75 or 73 Corvette. Those were cheap cars. That Bronco, I couldn't have built that for the $5 or $6 grand he wanted, even though it had 330,000 miles. I don't care. That truck was awesome. What were the other ones? That Camry was like $1,200 that it sold for. The Studebaker was crazy money. The one I really wanted was that GTO. So I'm going to have some more videos coming up in the next few weeks. The Lambo video, I'll have the GTO Judge video, and a couple others of the cars themselves with some walkarounds, a little bit more detailed on that stuff. So make sure to subscribe so you can see those things come through. Today was a fun day, but I didn't buy anything. I think, like I said, I think I was just in a funk today. I don't know what happened. Anyway, thanks for watching. Oh, I forgot the one more thing. Guys, what am I driving today? Probably a pretty easy one. Comment down below with your guesses and I'll give you a shout out next week. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you later. Adios. Hey, so one last thing. So everybody that got it right last week, I was driving a '98 Lincoln Navigator. I thought I made it difficult, and there are way too many of you guys that got it right. So a big shout out to Big Al's Bikes, Justin Register, Tanique Spell, Todd Collier, Killer Car Dude, SC Car Guy, 90s Car Guy, Chris Fusco, Mike 4, Wes Wilson, Kiem M, Jason Buckholes, Joshua Guadalupe, Joshua McGoo, Chris Ford. You guys all got it right. I thought I made it tough on this one, but it was a '98 Navigator. So keep them guesses coming. You guys are good at this. See you in the next video. Adios.